Well, time for coffee and a chipmunk. Waiting for the chipmunk. And there you are. Hi, little fella. Little boy. Hi, little boy. Look. Look. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on, Chip. Hi, buddy. What are you doing? Oh, you see the other chipmunk. I gotta give her a peanut, okay? Alright? Can I give her a peanut? It's the little one. Chip, Chip! Come on, Chip, Chip! Come here, buddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. There you go. Come on. Come on, Chippy. Don't worry about that other chipmunk, man. I'll give her a peanut in a minute. Hi, Chip Chip. You want this? You want that one? Yeah, you can have that one. Come here. Stop worrying about the other chipmunk. I got another one here. Come here. Okay, get this one. How's that one? That's a good one, isn't it? Okay, let me give you this other one. Peanut. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, honey. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. There you go. That's the baby. Gotta take care of the babies.